Welcome to Africa. Welcome to my land. Horse mackerel or Atlantic mackerel is a soft, tender, slightly oily, firm, textured with a strong fat. Why plantain? Ripe plantain is harshly grained, firm, not sweet like you can boil, roast, or fry it. So you can always have it with different types of sauces. So in this video, I want to show you how to roast the plantain, also call it body, just like that, depending on the region you're from, Nigeria. So firstly, what you need to do is to separate your pepper, onions, have cayenne, we have green bell pepper for the green sauce, and cayenne for the red sauce. Then the fresh habanero for the fish roasting, garlic, buttercream, ginger. So for the sides, we have watermelon. After removing the watermelon from the pack, I added some ginger, took it to be grinded it. So after removing part of the pepper, this is the part I want to use to marinate the pounded it, added some mint leaf, curry, spices, some seasoning, salt. I added some vegetable oils. Then peel the plantain in to roast it. We are roasting it with sugar. So the same thing, I did the second batch of the pepper, garlic, onions, also ginger. I added some chicken seasoning, some salt, masala, and vegetable oil. It gave it a good mix. That's the grilling. A little amount of vegetable cooking, that's enough, more or less like to fry. Ginger, washed. I didn't remove the back of the ginger. Peel it. Added some masala as well. Curry spices. Then cook it to the grill. So I began to mix. So at this point, the plantain is roasting and the pepper is grilling. It's roasting. unripe plantain is also a good source of iron. Plus, fish is a very good source of iron. So you can't just underrate this recipe. So inside the mackerel, I incorporated pepper sauce, pepper mix. At this point, the pepper is ready. So I also took it to grind. A small bowl, I poured chopped meat and some black seeds. Also, little amounts of oil. I mix it together. So this is the pepper sauce after grinding. For the red sauce, then we'll have the green sauce and also the white sauce. Then at this point, I had to take the fish, start grilling. Alongside with the plantain. When you're roasting boli, you must make sure that very low heat, either charcoal, fire or gas, or any sort of fuel you're using, you must make sure that is on a low heat. And at this, you can see that after a few minutes on grilling, our mackerel is ready. So I topped it with the same chopped pepper and also pepper mix, the red pepper mix. Just make sure you turn it on the side, both sides. Yes. And so the plantain and fish batter is ready. Wow. The watermelon juice came out so good. The plantain, the sauce was wow. So let's get to taste the fish. The fish, as you know, mackerel, horse mackerel, is not oily. It tastes so delicious. Thanks and bye.